Because the number one objection I have when people talk about Amazon, they say, Jason, is Amazon still the thing? Is Amazon too competitive now? Amazon sounds like the flavor of the month from a couple years ago, but it's got to be saturated, right? Blah, blah, blah. None of that is true, by the way. Amazon has grown 20% year over year with no end in sight. Amazon is just beginning to peak. Amazon is nowhere near as big as it's going to get. Mark my words, by 2025, Amazon will be so big that the government's going to have to come in and break it up because it'll be effectively a monopoly. But until it reaches that point, let's ride that wave of success. Amazon is only getting bigger. Amazon is only getting better. Amazon has barely begun to fulfill its plan of world dominance, where now it's, running Borders out of business and then putting bookstores in its place, right? It's acquiring Whole Foods for $13 billion, and then the stock goes up $17 billion within 21 days. So Amazon didn't pay to buy Whole Foods. Amazon got paid $4 billion to buy Whole Foods. And every time Amazon goes up, the rest of retail goes down. You have to play on Amazon if you want to make it easy to make money. If you want to make it extra hard for your livelihood, you don't have to. So here's the deal. You should see Amazon.com. I'm going to do one search, and I can find at least 10 or 15 opportunities like this every single day, and I can do this informally without any more reference points or training. I'm going to do a one-word keyword phrase search called snorkel. Snorkel, right? Okay, here are the results of snorkel. While there are over 2,000 people who sell a snorkel on Amazon in the search engines here, let's look at the fourth result. And what's interesting about this result? Can somebody tell me what makes this very interesting on the fourth search result on all of Amazon.com for the search phrase snorkel? What makes it so interesting, this fourth result? What's the number one thing that should get your greed glands pumping if you want to get unreasonably rich in an unreasonably short period of time? What is it? Nobody's got it right yet. Understanding this is the difference, okay? Manjit has got it. Nate has got it. Yeah, let's look at the difference here. If we click on this and we scroll down and we take a look at this, what is missing? There are no customer reviews yet. How is it possible to take a brand new product, put it on page 1 of Amazon for a keyword like snorkel, and be already number 4? They were number 1 the other day. How is that possible? How is that possible? That's not a rhetorical question. How is that possible? It's possible if you understand how Amazon determines relevance. And there are some sneaky ways of utilizing that, and we don't recommend you follow any of those, because if you make a little bit of money in the short term, it still doesn't matter. It doesn't solve your real problem, which is full financial independence and freedom, right? But what's interesting about that is every single day I'm seeing brand new products from brand new sellers and some of the most lucrative opportunities that ever seem to exist, and they're getting there overnight. They go from who's ever heard of me to, oh my God, Amazon has given me thousands of customers overnight.